At number 10, we have the magnificent Keter Falls in Ghana. Hidden deep within the Amazon rainforest, this spectacular waterfall plunges 226 meters, making it one of the world's tallest single-drop waterfalls. What makes Keter Falls truly unique is its untouched natural setting. Unlike many famous waterfalls, it remains surrounded by dense rainforest with very little development. The sheer volume of water and the dramatic scenery create an unforgettable experience. If you're looking for a hidden natural wonder, Keter Falls deserves a place on your bucket list. At number 9 is Jog Falls, located in the Indian state of Karnataka. During the monsoon season, this waterfall transforms into one of India's most spectacular sights. Water cascades nearly 253 meters down rugged cliffs, creating a breathtaking display of nature's power. Surrounded by lush green forests, Jog Falls attracts thousands of visitors every year. The roar of the falling water can be heard from far away, making it an unforgettable experience. Coming in at number 8 is Deshan Falls, one of Asia's largest and most beautiful waterfalls. Located on the border between China and Vietnam, this natural wonder stretches across multiple tiers, surrounded by limestone mountains and tropical forests. Visitors often explore the falls by bamboo raft, getting incredibly close to the rushing water. The combination of peaceful scenery and powerful waterfalls makes Deshan one of the most picturesque destinations in Asia. At number 7, we arrive at Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features more than 90 waterfalls flowing into crystal-clear turquoise lakes. Wooden walkways allow visitors to experience the waterfalls from just a few meters away. Every season transforms the park into a completely different landscape, making it one of Europe's most beautiful natural attractions. Number 6 takes us to Iceland's famous Gullfoss waterfall. Fed by glacial water, Gullfoss crashes into a dramatic canyon, creating an incredible display of power. On sunny days, visitors often see colorful rainbows forming in the mist. Its raw beauty has made Gullfoss one of Iceland's most visited attractions. Halfway through our list is Yosemite Falls, located in California's Yosemite National Park. Standing at approximately 739 meters, it's one of the tallest waterfalls in North America. Snowmelt from the surrounding mountains creates spectacular flows during spring. Towering granite cliffs surrounding the waterfall make this destination truly unforgettable. Planet. Number 4 belongs to the legendary Victoria Falls. Known locally as the Smoke That Thunders, this incredible waterfall stretches more than 1.7 kilometers across the Zambezi River. The mist from the falls can rise hundreds of meters into the air and can sometimes be seen from many kilometers away. It's one of Africa's greatest natural treasures. At number 3 is the breathtaking Angel Falls, the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world. Water plunges nearly 979 meters from the top of Oyantepuy mountain. Because of its incredible height, much of the water turns into mist before reaching the ground. Hidden deep inside Venezuela's rainforest, Angel Falls remains one of the planet's most spectacular sights. Number 2 is one of the world's most famous waterfalls, Niagara Falls. Located on the border of Canada and the United States, millions of tourists visit every year. At night, colorful lights illuminate the waterfalls, creating a magical atmosphere. Visitors can even take boat tours that bring them remarkably close to the powerful cascade. Ites. Taking the number 1 spot is the magnificent Iguazu Falls. Located between Argentina and Brazil, Iguazu is made up of more than 270 individual waterfalls spread across nearly 3 kilometers. The most famous section, known as the Devil's Throat, creates an unforgettable spectacle of roaring water and mist. Surrounded by lush rainforest filled with wildlife, Iguazu Falls is often considered one of the most beautiful natural wonders on earth. If there is one waterfall every traveler should see at least once in their lifetime, this is it. Which waterfall amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Earth Decoded for more incredible destinations from around the world. It